Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toddler vacuum is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning tools for parents who want to instill good habits in their little ones early on, and it can be a fun and educational experience for your toddler while promoting their motor skills and understanding of responsibility. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will help you navigate the world of toddler vacuums and find the perfect one to make cleaning a breeze and a fun activity for your little helper. Number 5. Battat Toy Circle House Cleaning Set. This 2-in-1 vacuum is the perfect size for little hands and big imaginations. It features realistic sounds and whirling beads for an immersive cleaning experience. Watch your child roleplay as they clean their play areas. It's a fun and engaging way to develop their fine motor skills and coordination. It can be used as an upright vacuum or with the handheld duster for even more fun. The removable dust cup lets them practice emptying it, just like the real thing. The dust cup contains swirling beads that stay safely inside, so there's no mess to worry about. It's perfect for pretend play and imaginative fun. Playing house helps children develop role-playing skills, fine motor skills, coordination, and encourages creativity. It's more than just a toy, it's a learning experience. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth and mild soap to keep it looking its best. Batteries are required for the sounds, not included. Get your Battat Toy Circle House cleaning set today and watch your child's imagination soar. It's the perfect gift for any child who loves to play house. What we like? It has realistic sounds and a removable dust cup, making cleanup fun and educational. If you are looking for a toy that develops fine motor skills and encourages imaginative play, this is the perfect choice for your toddler. It's ideal for kids who love to mimic household chores and learn through play. What people say. The Battat Kids wooden cleaning set is well made and sturdy, perfect for little hands to hold and use. The broom, mop, brush, dustpan, and duster are all true-to-life miniatures that add authenticity to the imaginative play experience. Parts come off to wash and are thick to be effective. The dustpan stands on its own. This is a great set for small people who want to do their own cleaning. The set is actually good enough to be used for actual cleaning. Number 4. Battat Toy Vacuum. It's playtime with this fun vacuum cleaner. It has lights, sounds, and spinning beads for extra fun. This vacuum plays 2 catchy tunes. Your child can sing along while they play. Pushing it around helps develop their gross motor skills. It's both fun and educational. This toy is perfect for children aged 2 and up. It's designed for their age group. Batteries are included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Let the fun begin. It's a toy vacuum cleaner that makes cleaning up fun and engaging for your little one. What we like? This vacuum features lights, sounds, and plays 2 catchy tunes, keeping your little one entertained while they play. If your child enjoys music and interactive toys, this is a great option to boost their gross motor skills. It's perfect for toddlers who love music and movement. What people say. Keeps my toddler busy on 4-hour car rides. He's always helping take turns and helps over train tracks. One of the best toys for on the go. It's portable so he can take it anywhere. Sturdy and playful. Hands down my 18-month-old son's favorite toy from Christmas. He loves imitating and helping out around the house, and it gives him a way to vacuum and help out while we're all doing our chores. It's got nice colors. He loves the spinning motion of the beads that thankfully cannot come out, and the tune's actually pretty catchy. Number 3. Kids Vacuum Cleaner Toy Set. It's a toy vacuum cleaner that lets kids roleplay as grown-ups, helping with household chores and developing life skills. They'll love feeling like part of the family. This toy is designed with realistic sounds, whirling stars, and bright colors to stimulate visual and motor skill development. It's fun and engaging for children. It has a try-me mode for short bursts of play and a continuous work mode for longer cleaning sessions. Kids can choose how they want to play. Made from BPA-free, non-toxic plastic, it's safe for kids. The smooth design and easy-to-grasp handle make it perfect for little hands. It comes with a sprayer bottle and cleaning cloths, adding to the realistic play experience. It's a great way to teach kids about tidiness. What we like? It boasts realistic sounds, fun lights, and a whirlwind movement, making cleaning an exciting adventure. If you're looking for a toy that stimulates visual and motor skills, and includes extra cleaning accessories, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love to roleplay and engage in pretend cleaning activities. What people say. The realistic sounds and lights make it so engaging, and she feels like she's truly helping with household chores. This is a sturdy, fun toy. It's very simple and to the point, with only one button to turn it on to make vacuum suction noise and for the spinning area to turn on. The vacuum only stays on for about 7 seconds. If you want it to stay on longer, you just need to move to on section. Also, I love that the vacuum is also very light, which makes it easy for my son to move around. Number 2. FS Kids Vacuum Toy. It's more than just a toy, it's an interactive experience with lights and sounds that will keep your little one entertained for hours. Watch them giggle as it makes fun vacuuming noises. This toy vacuum cleaner is designed to tilt up and down, just like the real thing. It's perfect for imaginative play and role-playing household chores. It's not just for solo play. Kids can have hours of creative fun with friends, taking turns and learning about teamwork while having fun. This fun toy helps your child develop their imagination and understand the importance of keeping things clean. It might even help them overcome any fear of real vacuum cleaners. Made from high-quality, durable ABS plastic, it's safe, easy to clean, and built to last. The smooth edges ensure worry-free playtime. Looking for a gift for a birthday or holiday? This toy vacuum cleaner is perfect for toddlers, boys, and girls aged 2 to 4. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This toy vacuum features music, lights, and tilts up and down just like a real one. If your child is a bit scared of real vacuums, this toy can help them overcome that fear in a fun way. It's a great gift for toddlers who are curious about household chores and want to participate in a fun and engaging way. What people say. Smaller than what I was expecting, easy setup, the only thing that it requires is the handle being installed and 3 AA batteries. My baby niece loves this vacuum toy. It plays music and lights up. She is 2.5 and loves to walk around and vacuum all the floors. It comes with a piece of cloth that you stick to the bottom of the vac that sticks on like Velcro. To use to dust wood or tile floors. This is great for kids who always want to help. They can use their own vac and be like an adult. It's easy to assemble. My daughter takes it out every time I vacuum. Number 1. Play 22 Kids Vacuum Cleaner Toy. It's more than just a toy, it's a chance for your child to explore their imagination and learn about cleaning in a fun, engaging way. Watch them develop confidence and problem-solving skills as they play. With colorful lights and realistic sounds, it's like a real vacuum cleaner, but without the suction. This feature adds excitement to their pretend play, making cleaning an enjoyable experience. The toy's easy maneuverability helps develop their problem-solving and motor skills. They'll learn hand-eye coordination and improve their dexterity as they push and tilt it around. It's the perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. Designed in the USA, this toy is safe and durable, providing hours of fun for boys and girls alike. This electronic toy is battery-powered for easy use. It's the ideal size for little hands, and the realistic noise adds to the role-playing fun. It's a great way to teach kids about responsibility and teamwork. When assembling, make sure you hear a click when attaching the handle to ensure it's securely fastened. Then, let the fun begin. What we like. With colorful lights, sounds, and a ball-popping action, this vacuum cleaner toy offers a multisensory experience. If you are looking for a toy that develops problem-solving skills and fine motor skills through interactive play, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for children who enjoy interactive and engaging toys. What people say. It looks and sounds like a vacuum. It plays music and makes noise. The sounds are perfect. One button plays vacuum sound starting low and then after 10 minutes switching to high suction sound. The other button does a song. Balls also bounce around. My 14-month-old grandson is perfect size for it. And it will probably last him until he is over 24 months. It isn't a big thing. But perfect size for him now. No regrets. Love it. I gave this vacuum 4 stars because, once it is adapted, it is really, really cute, with 6 different songs to play, and a very realistic vacuum sound. Plus 2 noise speed settings, so it feels very much like the real thing to a 2-year-old. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.